mate, that was crap.
Here we are, Demon Boy 2.
Crap.
Demon Boyz on the mic, exploding if you get too close like dynamite. I've heard all your rhymes, but it's now my turn. Tough foundation, like permafrost. Get off if you're on my ship. Demon D, provides the magic potion I sip. You sit down, I study my rhymes, you coot. Somebody pass me a gun and I'll shoot at the boy who bites. I pull the trigger, threaten me, and I'll snigger in your face. Make you look small while I'm tall. Fighting is illegal, against the law, no crap. I am on the stack, Mike J. Listen to my record on wax every day. Some guys are hot, flexible. Me, I'm open to opinions and flexible. Flexibility and rhymes and movement. Moving around on the floors in groovement. Suddenly a stop, look on stage. See my face, boy, see the rage. It's been 2 years since the Demon Boyz joined. Taking us time to get to this point where I have grown and we're known to the growth. The microphone I've shown is both a tool and you can rule cause it's a weapon. If you're getting hunted, then you're friend. I hope you weren't flying on the microphone stand. Listen, when your clothes come from Ox fam, so do you. You better behave with rock a dance, a session, a jam, and a raid. You say you're number one, then I'm afraid you're lost. Destroying participation of apartheid. Color of skin, is irrelevant. Creed and kin are both equivalent. Both equal and right. Black against white in a fight is sick. Just acting like you just been born. Instead of that crap, come on, watch us perform. Devastates break, it's soon coming up. Come in a jam and you'll say what's up. That's about the only thing that won't come down. God say it as a phrase from all around. Now possess and confess, you're in a daze. See us perform and you'll have to gaze. This is in the back, get on the floors. Wait for a minute cause I'm gonna pause.
Because the music when it's something this way.
As we go a little something like this. As we go a little something like. As we go a little something like this. As we go a little something like.
Now when I say that I'm rough, I mean I'm serious, making sucker boys out there. Look at me first, that's why my name's D. And any place I go, I can ride a tempo, and I ain't so low. Now there's a lot of guys out there trying to make it real big. The vinyl sounds good, but when it comes to a gig, your voice sounds crappy. The crowd's not happy. Move your face, make haste. I make it snap because I'm rougher than an animal.
Coming like a rhino.
Cause I'm rougher than an animal.
Coming like a rhino.
Cause I'm rougher than an animal. Lyrics like a cannibal. Rock to Vietnam. My jam was never bannable. Like Tyson, never stoppable. Knock it if you're knockable. My posse on the floor, man.
That's impossible.
Rockin' at a jam, or rock at a session. Grab the mic with tight, then I rap with aggression. My lesson, no messing, it's a good impression. No jesting, but progressing. My rhyme's not depressing, but exciting. Delighting, like Tyson when he's fighting. Take my time when I'm writing. You'll never catch me biting. Inspiration I use. Got the mic to rock the nation. Mike G, a devastate and me. The creation, getting rougher and rougher. Building up my reputation, getting tougher and tougher. Use my voice for nomination. Get my money on time. Get my honey a grind, damn. Putting to paper before I never rhyme. So don't diss me, because you're coming like a dinosaur. Don't ask for war, cause I will show you the score. Understand what I'm giving? I destroy factorism, racism. Now there ain't no bragging, no nagging involved. No big time mystery that has to be solved. My story is true, cause it ain't fake. Wait, more lyrics after DJ Devastate.
Can we hear your funky fresh scratching again? Can we hear your funky fresh scratching again?
Me, I'm regrettable, unforgettable. Information in your face, go gettable. Buy it, I supply it. Rhymes on wax on tap. Create a battlefield like Iraq or Iran. I am on a Sam Mike J, not rational, but international airplay. You hear it, you bear it, and you want it. Some are attracted, or some run from it. It's amazing that you're gazing at my untransparent rhymes. I have, you have it, going on for long like salami. Stand in line, like the army. Dominant, high, supreme, like a tower. Pushing out a force, I'm pushing out a power. High pitch sound from the amplifier. Can't fire or high on my rhymes, cause that's fire. Well, I don't like the way the police force drops it. The way that they treat the youth, they should stop it. No wonder there's a feel of isolation. No reason at all they carry out interrogation. They done it on my home with before. Every time the past, there's a feel of war. I ignore the trouble cause I just can't win. All I do is look away and start rhyming in my head. My friends say I'm dread cause I'm cool. I don't front like some kind of fool. lying. And I hate liars. I don't mind you humming, I rap if you're a buyer of the record. Now that's an exception. You could play it in your wedding reception. All that means is more promotion. Girls get heated when they see us in motion. DJs devastate, spins down from time, directly behind in a parallel line. Yes, he's bad and it sure means business. If you're stuck up, girl, then mind your business. Tell me you're a fugitive, a representative. Your crew is underground, you're oversensitive. Paranoid. And you're scared of being destroyed. Ashamed. Put down and out of function. Looking from left to right at every junction. So pay attention, don't let your mind sway.
Timothy and my J.
Yeah, yo, to the twilight burn. Digging 88, others a germ learn. I am an addict, my rhymes are automatic, dramatic. When I touch the mic, I'm like static. This is the jam. What's the name of the first? To all you fighters out there, this'll quench your thirst. Night nurse, you have to use